Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a hero's flight using this particular Higgsfield AI I found. So this AI allows the human being or the subject to fly like a superhero. So you can see various examples of how the effect takes place. So if you want to fly, you can actually use this. It's really cool. So all you have to do is to go to this website higgsfield.ai, click on visual effects section after signing in, then scroll and choose the hero's flight. Then you'll be brought to a page like this where you can click on generate. After clicking on generate, you can upload your image here and then describe the scene you want if it's necessary. Then this particular model is the best one for you, but you can always choose a different model, but I will advise you go for this, and it may be paid, so most of the time it's for the premium users, but it doesn't mean you cannot generate it with any of the free ones. So you can click on this and still click on generate, and it will give you something very very cool and great. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about it in this particular effect in the comment section. And once your video is done, you can always download it in this area. This is an example of the video I created using a different effects, and it came out looking really cool. So you guys can check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Do have a great day guys, and please subscribe to our channel as we're actively trying to grow guys.